Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 stockbrokers to have in 2025. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to sign up for any of these brokers, there's going to be links to them down below. So make sure you guys sign up there because it helps out the channel. And guys, let's jump into this and like and subscribe. Let's go. All right, so what is a stockbroker? Before we talk about the top 3, we need to understand what a stockbroker is. A stockbroker is how us as investors and traders have access to the stock market. Back in the day, you'd have to call up your stockbroker and say, hey, I want 20 shares of Apple. He would take a commission for it. It was expensive, and he would have to call the exchange, see what the going rate was, and it was just a heavy process. Nowadays, you guys can do it right on your phone, which is awesome, but it's also a little overwhelming because there's so many brokers out there nowadays. What is the first broker I would recommend? The first broker is going to be the one and only Robinhood. You have to have Robinhood in the top 3. The reason why I say that is because Robinhood is a very, very beginner broker. It's simple to use. It's not going to be overwhelming. There's several different account types you guys can have, like a standard broker's account or an IRA account, which is just a retirement account with tax incentive. Also, with the new Robinhood Legend, which is their new trading platform, this is kind of like the best of both worlds where you have that long-term investing approach. It's easy to use and you can even trade on it. Personally, I don't trade on it. I use another broker that we'll talk about later. But Robinhood is definitely suited for beginners that just want to have fun with investing, maybe have a nice retirement account in there. Also, Robinhood will match up to 3%, which is really cool. You do have to have the Robinhood Gold, but it's still nice where you guys can actually get free money because without paying for anything, you get 1%. Overall, Robinhood is a fantastic broker, but there is downsides. The biggest downside to Robinhood, in my personal opinion, is going to be something called order flow. And I'm going to simplify it. Imagine if you guys bought a stock for $1. Robinhood will send that order to the exchange for about 95 cents. Now, they'll purchase that stock for 95 cents. You might be saying, Carter, what happens to that 5 cents? That is Robinhood's profit. The issue with Robinhood is you will never get the best available price because they make money through order flow and margin, which most brokers do, but it's definitely worth noting if you're looking to actively trade with Robinhood, I would recommend a different broker. All right, now let's move on to broker number 2. Broker number 2 is a broker I use every single day because for those of you that don't know who I am Carter, and I am a full-time swing trader in the stock market. So I need a broker that doesn't make money through order flow, that is a trading broker, and this is going to be the one, the only Moomoo. They're absolutely fantastic. They offer great charting, they offer scanning, they offer indicators so you guys can get a general idea of where the stock can go in the future. Also, and more importantly, why I would recommend this for people that are looking to trade the market is because they offer something called paper trading, which is just simulated trading. What this does is it helps you practice your entries, your exits, your risk management skills so you can become a better trader. This is definitely a trading broker. This is not going to be a broker for like a long-term investing approach. And yes, you can still invest for the long run with it, but there's no IRA account, which is just the, retirement account with tax incentive. They do offer DRIP, very similar to Robinhood, which is just dividend reinvesting, but honestly, Moomoo is going to be designed for traders. So if you're looking to trade, you guys can get up to 20 free stocks by clicking that link. Now, also, I forgot to mention with all these brokers, they're all going to be commission-free, fee-free, and an easier broker to use. So just so you guys know that. All right, now let's move on to the last and final broker that I would highly recommend for people looking to make money in 2025. And this is going to be Fidelity. There's a bunch of mixed opinions about Fidelity, but why I personally love it, it's kind of like the best of both worlds. It offers retirement accounts like IRAs, standard broker's account, and something called a custodial account, which is a kid's account. This is cool, and why I put it on the list is because if you guys have kids and you want to teach them investing, you can open up a custodial account and you can put $5, $10 in it because they offer fraction shares, just like all the other brokers offer fraction shares. But anyways, why I love this is those custodial accounts. If you guys want to say, hey, grandma, grandpa, instead of buying them a toy, why don't you just buy some stock for them? You can do that, which is cool. So you can have friends and family purchase shares of companies for your kids. I think that is so cool. Honestly, teaching the young ones, teaching your kids that there's millions of different ways to make money out there, and what's investing, what's stocks. You could buy a share of Disney, Roblox, and fun companies like that, which your kids would love. Now, Fidelity does offer a trading platform as well. So if you're looking to trade, a little bit too, you can do it with Fidelity. I would recommend Moomoo if you're going to trade. But anyways, nevertheless, all these brokers are absolutely fantastic. And if you guys are like, Carter, well, I don't like all three of them, what are some tips and tricks and things I should know when looking for a broker? The number one thing I would look for is fees. There's so many brokers out there nowadays, aka Acorns, M1 Finance, all these brokers that charge monthly fees to invest. If you are paying per month to invest, cancel your broker, transfer that money and your investment somewhere else. The reason why I say that is because just a small $3 or $4 per month fee can add up to thousands of dollars in the long run. If you take, $5 a month and you invest it for 40 years with a 10% return, you're looking at thousands of dollars in missed opportunity. So the biggest recommendation, make sure there's no fees. Number two, make sure it's a broker you can navigate and use with ease. Personally, I like brokers I can use on the desktop and a phone because I'm on the go constantly. So that's a huge key for me. Maybe it's not for you, but I personally love it. But overall, just pick a broker you understand. These were my top 3. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, like, subscribe, and don't forget, if you guys want to sign up with any of these brokers, click that link down below and you guys can sign up with all of them, do all of them, and then pick the one you guys like the best. So hope you guys all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Happy holidays, and we'll see you in the next. Take care.